Hello everyone, this is Mrs. Haysom and
I'm Clara.
And what grade are you in?
I'm in 5th grade.
Alright, so today what we're going to do is we're going to do something new. I'm not sure if you've ever seen this before, but Miss Parker might have been able to show you. But what we're doing, it's called a picture word inductive model. So the rules for this, I'm going to show you a picture, we're going to do some vocab, and then we're going to see the word, say the word, spell the word, and say it. This will help you learn how to spell things, which is pretty exciting. So we're going to put that here right now. So this is your vocabulary list. We're learning about parts of a sailboat. Ooh. Because sailing, if you know, is really, really important, right? For early explorers.
I know a few of them.
Oh, all right. So I went ahead and I wrote them on note cards. So why don't you go ahead, identify the parts of the sailboat, and let's go ahead and see how you do.
Do you think I should just write it down?
No, you can just put it right next to it. If I had a bigger printer, I would have printed a picture this big.
Hole. I know the. This will have to be the hole. This one. The mast. I know.
Okay.
Means. I'm trying to find out what just. I think that the back one would be the mainsail because it's bigger. And, oh wait, I want to put that back there. The center dagger board. Center. I'm thinking that this one might be the tiller. And then it would be helpful if I just wrote it down.
Okay, go ahead.
I'm confused.
All right.
I think that this would be it because it's in the middle and it says center board, or also known as dagger board. So center board. Then this, I think,
You want to wait a moment?
I'm trying to think of it. So I have this. I'm gonna get all the ones that I have done in a pile, so I can tell which is which.
Soup. It can also look like this.
Okay.
So close.
Oh, the boom and the tiller.
Yeah, that was really, really good. I'm impressed.
So
All
the
right.
boom and the tiller I got right.
All right, so what do you think that the mainsail does?
I think the mainsail, since it's bigger, would catch all the. It would make the boat go faster to catch it, and then I think this is like a counter to make it sure it doesn't like push it round and round.
Yeah. What do you think that the mast does?
I think it holds up the sails.
Okay. Well, what's the hole?
The hole is the bottom of the boat.
It's the whole cavity.
Yeah, like
it's the main part where you can stand on, sleep on,
like walk
eat
on.
on. Yeah, exactly. What does the rudder do?
It steers the boat.
Okay. That is correct. It is a flat blade at the back of the boat. So, and so these two are switched. So the tiller actually steers the rudder. So what do you think if the tiller steers the rudder and then you have the mast and the mainsail, what do you think that the boom does?
I think it makes the make sure the mainsail doesn't crumple.
Which way would it crumple?
It would probably go. So if I imagine that this is a boat and then the mainsail would go that way because of the wind.
Mm-hmm.
So it holds the boom holds it back.
And what's nice about the boom is that it can go like this on the boat. So that way, like if you're trying to catch one type of wind versus another, that's what it's for. And so we covered basically everything. Now what's interesting about the center board, what was the other word for center board?
Yeah,
Dagger?
dagger board.
All right. So this is, you're correct. Your logic is correct. It follows straight down. And what it does is, like, let's say if you had a really bad wind come and hit the sails, that is like your anchor almost. Not quite an anchor, but it holds it in the water.
Like,
so that way it doesn't capsize.
Yeah.
Nobody wants that.
When it tries to capsize, like that will, like, it'll be harder for it to capsize because it's like a big plate in the way of the way it's going.
Exactly. So why don't we go ahead and practice this model, okay? So we're going to do see it, say it, spell it, say it, all right? So let's start with mast.
Yeah.
See it.
See it.
Say it.
Mast.
Spell it.
M-A-S-T. Mast.
Uh-huh. Let's go ahead and do tiller, which is really right here.
Tiller. T-I-L-L-E-R.
You want to pick another one?
Tiller. Yeah. How about hull? H-U-L-L. Hull. Rudder. R-U-D-D-E-R. Rudder. Boom. B-O-O-M. Boom. Mainsail. I'm gonna count it as the mainsail as both sails, and so S-A-I-L.
Say it.
For sail, but we'd add this on the end if it were sails.
So by looking at this, let's say we started going down the list and we started adding more pieces. Do you think that you'd be able to remember how to spell words like tiller or rudder?
Yeah.
How about you look at me? Quiz time. How do you spell tiller?
T-I-L-L-E-R.
What about rudder?
R-U-D-D-E-R.
How do you spell jib?
G-I-B.
G?
A J.
There we go. There you go. All right.
I'm like, wait, wow.
So, because sailing was so important, I think that it's important that when we're reading books or we're going over different stories about the sailors, this would be an important thing to know. So, yeah, okay. All right. Thanks.